Alright, so in this video, I'm going to solve the equation 6 factorial times 7 factorial is equal to x factorial. So, what I'm going to do is 6 factorial here. Well, 6 factorial is equal to 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. And this is the same thing as 6 times 5 factorial. Now, 5 factorial is the same thing as 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, which is the same thing as 5 times 4 factorial. So, this means that 6 factorial is equal to 6 times 5 factorial, 5 factorial is equal to 5 times 4 factorial, and 7 factorial is equal to 7 times 6 factorial. Well, 6 factorial now 8 factorial, this is going to equal 7 factorial times 8, which is the same thing as 7 factorial times 2 times 4. 8 is the same thing as 2 times 4. Meaning, 8 factorial times 3 times 5 times 6 is equal to x factorial, because x factorial, as a reminder, is 6 factorial times 7 factorial. And if we go back here, we have 6 here, which is the value of this, times 3 times 5 times 8 factorial, because 8 factorial is 7 factorial times 8. So we already have 7 factorial over here, and then we have that times 8 times 3 times 5 times 6, which 8 times 3 times 5 times 6 is the value of 6 factorial, because 8 is 4 times 2. So now from here, I can rewrite this. Well, before I actually do anything, 9 factorial is 9 times 8 factorial, meaning x factorial is equal to 9 factorial times 10, because we have 90 here. 3 times 5 times 6 is 90. 90 divided by 9 is 10. And this is the same thing as 9 factorial times 5 times 2. Meaning, x is equal to 10, because 10 factorial is equal to 9 factorial times 10. And this is the exact value of this. So x is equal to 10.